Ever wanted to breathe life into your designs and create captivating animations? Let's dive into Adobe After Effects and learn how to animate a moving object, transforming static elements into dynamic motion graphics. First, launch After Effects and create a new composition, choosing your desired dimensions and frame rate, then name it appropriately. Next, create a shape or import an image you would like to animate. Now, select your object and, in your timeline, you'll see various properties, including position. Click the stopwatch icon next to position to set your first keyframe, which is the starting point of your animation. Move your playhead along the timeline to a new point. Now, change the object's position by dragging it across the screen in the composition panel using the selection tool. This automatically creates another keyframe. You can also manually change the position values in the timeline panel. Right-click on your keyframes and choose Keyframe Assistant, then select Ease Ease. This adds a smooth curve to your movement, enhancing the overall look. To refine the motion, use the graph editor. Select your keyframes to adjust the Bezier handles. Dragging these handles adjusts the speed and acceleration, fine-tuning the animation's flow. To make your animation visually striking, experiment with adding effects, layering elements, and adjusting the color and style to match your desired aesthetic. Remember to play around with the speed and the path of movement to make it unique. You've just learned the fundamentals of animating a moving object in After Effects. Now, put these techniques to use in your own projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more motion graphics tutorials.